I don't own the rights to this music. I own the rights to this message. This is about Public Accommodations Act, 1964. Like I said, I was making a documentary and a movie about Baltimore, the money behind the machine, the money you make off black bodies. Baltimore, the state of Maryland's investment portfolio is diverse to the Alabama state prison industry. Alabama state prison industry is the #1 commerce in Alabama. You get $100,000 a year to lock up black boys in Alabama. 14 years old is when you start locking them up. I just came from Alabama. I went to the Selma to Montgomery, Alabama march. It was a 51-mile relay. All right? This is art and activism. Like I said, 1964, Public Accommodations Act. I exhausted my remedies under the law, city, county, state, and federal levels. Taxation without representation is a violation of my constitutional rights. This is Ivan Bates. In 100 days, he's positioned himself to protect the corruption in Baltimore. That's Ivan Bates. That's Wes Moore. That's the Maryland Legislative Black Caucus. All right. And that's Natisha Darlegs from the Public Defenders, the State Public Defender's Office. That's the State Public Defender's Office. For more information, contact Dwayne G. Davis, because like I said, it's going to be a movie and a documentary. It's about your courts. That's Julie Enser of the courts. And this is the property that you stole from me. All right, the contents of the defendant's vehicle, a 1999 Chevy Suburban. All right, that's the Chevy Suburban. It was worth $5,000. The contents of the vehicle was worth $250 million. She's the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. I was making a movie about the Supreme Court, about the courts. That's the Constitution, the First Amendment. The First Amendment, freedom of speech. All right? And you violated my constitutional rights. Freedom of speech. It's art and activism, the art of protest. And I'm protesting in such a way. Nonviolent, peaceful demonstration. The same way Martin Luther King taught me how to do. It's a time to pee. Did you use the toilet today? That's Marilyn Mosby. She been lying to you. Because Mosby been having this since 2014. All right? Jill P. Carter had it, part of the Maryland Black Legislative Caucus when she was delegate Jill P. Carter. Christopher Williams worked for her. So did Nicole Mundo. Karen York will tell you she was working for Kurt Anderson. That's Mayor Pugh. If Pugh can go to jail, if Glenn can go to jail, Ivan Bates can go to jail. You got 52 members of the Democratic Party that can go to jail. Leon Pinkett is my witness. Baltimore City Council got this. The mayor got this. Shannon Sneed, Corey McCray. Like I said, I'm an activist. I ain't hard to find. I'm an activist. I'm an activist just like she is, but you're not giving me the same props you give her. I went to jail for the right reasons, to expose the corruption in the courts. 2023, I went to Supreme Court. We talking about voter suppression in the Democratic and the Republican Party. Because I ran for office. I don't just run my mouth. Voter suppression, 2023. Yeah. Supreme Court. And you're going to have to testify. You're going to have to turn over all this information. Fox 45. Yeah. You can't protect the corruption. Racism don't work without black cooperation. So bring my paperwork. That's Eric Barron of the Department of Justice. Bring my paperwork. That's the Maryland Legislative Black Caucus. Bring my paperwork. My movie was about keeping the dream alive. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Well, I'm going to make you respect my rights.